What's up, guys? I am getting unready with you on camera. I'm just going to quickly take off my makeup because I've been using some beautiful products that have helped my skin with the texture and uneven skin color I have. And because I'm a brown girl, you know that happens. I've been using the Wishtrend by Wishtrend 5% Mandelic Skin Prep Water. This is the best exfoliator you can use because you can use it daily and it's not going to irritate your skin. But also it helps to repair your skin because it takes away all that texture. It smooths out your skin and it brightens your skin. It also evens out any uneven skin tone. I have that a lot because, you know, if I go out in the sun, like my freckles just come out, and this has really helped me to get rid of that uneven coloring, and it also really helps to clean my skin. Look at that. And next I'm going in with Klairs Soothing Serum. This is an intensely hydrating serum, and I love layering this under my makeup simply because it gives me such a glowy, pretty look, and I love glowy skin. I don't really like matte skin, so this is like my secret to glowy, dewy skin underneath your makeup. If you guys want that kind of look, I know it's like the popular thing right now, glass skin, definitely try this serum, and especially if you layer it and then you let it dry, it looks fantastic. Check out Wishtrend for more of their products. Bye, guys.